Welcome to CodeOps by Hein Technologies. So this is a new series of DevOps for absolute beginners. Okay. So first thing, what is DevOps? So DevOps is a combination of tools that we know, but I can say that in a different scenario. Let's say the same combination of tools, how it is going to work. Why this is a combination of tools? Let's take one simple example of the restaurant. So this is the kitchen of this restaurant, and this is the dining area. This is the dining area, and somewhere here it is the counter, and it is somewhere it's parking or whatever it is. So now what is happening? So we are the four friends who entered into this restaurant. Immediately, one of them can able to help us to get the table for four of us. So finally, we've seated somewhere here. So one person who came to our table and then he tried to give a water bottle along with the food menu. Then we've one more person who comes to my table and then who took a order from us. Then the same can be sent inside the kitchen. So here you have a chefs. So what's their duty? So depend on my order, these people can able to make my order, and then finally one of them who can able to serve the same order to my table. Correct? Then after that, everything is done. Post that, the billing. So it is also comes to my desk only, comes to my table. Post that, I'll make the payment here itself. Then finally I leave. So here what is happening? So here one person, here couple of persons, and here all. All this are communicating each other, which means it is communication. So what is mean by the communication? So here the chefs, I can call it as developers in our scenario. And these people are there, right? They're not developing or they're not making anything. They're just giving a service to these customers. Okay. This means this is called service, or I can say that the operations. So now communication can be happen all this team that is called development team plus operations team have a communication, very good communications, I can say that. So when they have the very good communication, the moment whenever they've ordered, immediately these people start the making of it. And then after like 15 minutes or 10 minutes or 20 minutes of time, depend on to the order. So immediately they can able to serve my food. This is the same concept I've been introduced into our applications as well. So here, earlier days, before this DevOps, there was lagging actually. So what was it? Which means, so development team, when they want to start their application, it was taking longer time. They don't have the proper communication to the database team, or they don't have a proper communication to the networking team, the other teams and all. But once this DevOps model comes into the picture, so all people have been sitting in a single place, and then they can able to deliver that application very faster. They can deliver the application very faster. And then uh, code level issues, I can say that code level issues also very less, and testing is very faster, and releasing the application is also very faster. So this is what how the implementation happened into the DevOps model. Okay, I hope this is very helpful to you people. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.